Look at that bird. That's a wren. It's a house wren. They're not scared. They're not scared of anything. They just curse them out. They curse me out. Holy fucking shit. Yeah, you got cursed out on that one. Holy fuck, Hobbs. Holy moly. That was crazy fast. Good boy. Woo. Yeah, now we got to hear that the whole time now. Good boy. Yeah, super. There's the champion. That's right. You sharpen them claws. You so fierce. Oh, my goodness. You's a mighty hunter. Oh, my goodness. You's a mighty hunter. Holy moly. Yeah, that's right. Oh, you so fierce. My baby tiger. Yes, you's a baby tiger. Mouse.